Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Simply we have to hear. Suppose if you are illiterate, you cannot read Bhagavad-gita. Of course, many of you do not know Sanskrit language, so you cannot read. But there are English translation. But you can hear. Bhagavan, the Lord, has given you the chance of hearing. You have got God-gifted ear. If you attentively hear, you learn everything. Formally, of course, people are very intelligent simply by hearing. They need not take any note or need not read any book, but simply by hearing. So that therefore, in the Bhagavad it is recommended, first thing, that you have to hear. Simply by hear, and if you think, you become spiritual master, and you distribute this knowledge. Susrava saddadadhanasya vasudevi katha ruchi shan mahasevaya vipra punnatirtha nisivana. Now this mentality for hearing kṛṣṇa-kathā, how it is developed, that is also susrava. You must be very sincere, susrava. And you must be inquisitive to hear. Susrava. One is very eager to hear, he can become in future the spiritual master. Susrava saddadhanasya, with faith. Vasudeva katha ruchi. Ruchi means taste. And Vasudeva katha means Krishna, the topics of Krishna. I am speaking of you, of my personal experience, how this eagerness of hearing is a very important thing. When I first met my spiritual master in 1933, I met him first in 1922, then for several years I was out of Calcutta and I could not meet him. Again, next meeting was in 1933. So, at that time, I was simply inquiring from other disciples of my spiritual master. At that time I was not spiritual master, I am his disciple. So when His Holiness will speak, so this information was noted by my spiritual master, and he was pleased to accept me immediately, that this boy is very nice, he is very inquisitive to hear. He does not go away. So this is very good qualification. One who becomes inquisitive to hear. So susrava means one who is very inquisitive to hear, at the same time to render service. These two qualifications. Susrava saddadhanasya, with faith, Vasudeva katha. For him, the taste for hearing kṛṣṇa-kathā is very easy.